Nigeria's business environment to the global marketplace, important developments continue to shape investor confidence, trade, and economic activities. Welcome to Business Time on Celestial Honors Television, where we bring you the stories behind the numbers and developments moving the market. On headlines today on Business Time, Nigeria's stock market records a share decline in market value as investor sentiment weakens. US Canada trade tensions raise concerns over business costs and supply chains. And on the foreign exchange market, the Naira remains under close watch. We begin today's Business Time with Nigeria Stock Exchange has come under pressure, with the Nigerian exchange losing about 5.42 trillion naira market value over a 20-day period. The decline has been attributed to profit taking and cautious investor sentiment as market participants assess corporate earnings, interest rates, and the broader economic outlook. Despite the recent pressure, traded activities remain significant, with the value of the stock deals in the first 7 months of 2026 approaching 12 trillion naira. The market's performance is now being closely watched by investors as they reassess their portfolios and look for companies with strong fundamentals. Analysts say market movements could remain volatile in short term as investors respond to corporate results, economic policies, and chasing interest rate expectations. Nigeria's cement industry continues to record strong business performance, with major producers posting combined revenue of about 3.2 trillion naira in the first half of 2026. The performance highlights the continued demand for cement and the construction and infrastructure sectors. However, high production and distribution costs alongside elevated cement prices continue to put pressure on builders and consumers. Industry players are also looking for ways to improve production efficiency and reduce operating costs, with government and private sector investments in infrastructure expected to support demand. The cement industry remains an important part of Nigeria's manufacturing and construction value chain. Global markets have started the week on a cautious note as investors respond to trade tensions, geopolitical risks, and uncertainties over interest rates. Several Asian stock markets declined while oil prices also came under pressure. Investors are now watching economic data and central bank signals for clues about the future direction of interest rates and global growth. The movements reflect the sensitivity of financial markets to change in monetary policy and international trade. A shift in interest expectations could affect investor flows, currency values, and commodity prices in the coming weeks. Trade tensions between the United States and Canada are creating fresh concerns for businesses and investors. The dispute has raised fears of higher costs of companies that depend on cross border supply chains, while businesses are also watching for possible retaliatory measures. Economists warn that a prolonged trade dispute could affect business confidence, consumer prices, and economic growth. The United States and Canada are major trading partners, meaning any significant disruption could have effects across industries such as manufacturing, energy, and agriculture. Companies are therefore monitoring policy developments closely as they access potential changes to costs, supply chains, and market access. In the foreign exchange market, the naira remained in focus as businesses and investors monitor dollar supply and demand. The value of the naira continued to have a direct impact on import costs, international transactions, foreign investments, and the prices of imported goods. Market participation are also watching Nigerian foreign exchange liquidity, all receipts, and external reserves for indications of the naira's future performance. For businesses, stability in the foreign exchange market is particularly important because it helps companies plan for imports, international payments, and order foreign currency obligations. In the foreign exchange market, the naira is currently trading at about 1,346 naira 49 kobo to the US dollar on the official market. The British pound is about 1,838 naira 75 kobo, while the euro stands at about 1,573 naira 11 kobo. The Canadian dollar at approximately 990 naira. These rates are indicative and may vary across authorized markets and financial institutions. And that's a wrap on Business Time on Celestial Honors Television, from Nigeria's corporate sector to the global marketplace and foreign exchange. We'll continue to keep you informed on the developments that matter. Thank you for watching. For more informative programming, stay with Celestial Honors Television.
Celestial Honors TV is powered by Celestial Honors and Merit Award International.